Hello guys, good times will definitely happen. I don't know what now is happening in your life, but my life has completely changed last years. And as you can see, my friend Luba is coming back to our nail studio. And my friend Christine helps me to transform her nails. Because Luba still lives in old poor house. She lives with 2 children and she used to heat her house with the oven and the coal. That's why her nails are completely black and cuticles are full of coal. When we start to do nails for hard workers for free, I have collected the big company of nail masters like Christine, who helps doing these amazing videos and help people. We also have done a lot of nail products are available for ordering for many countries. The Shape of Nail store, where you can find all these things that Christine uses for these nails, is temporarily closed. It would be reopened in the summer. Please subscribe my Telegram channel and you will find out the date when it opens. So me, Christine and you, we would be in contact all the time, whenever you want. If we come back to the main message of this video, so we decided to make the highest quality set of nails for this hard worker woman using the latest, highest professional techniques. So this set of nails even unavailable for some Hollywood stars, but our hard workers, they have a chance to get this set of nails for free. And this is amazing when people do good things, good deals for such people who need it. For example, this hard worker woman, Luba, she has 2 children, she takes care of them, she doesn't work at this moment, she just only gets some money from the government, but it's not enough for providing her children. Of course, she wants to have some happiness in her life. For example, happiness for her is to look on beautiful hands, beautiful nails. And we nail masters can do these things for her. And from the other side, a lot of nail masters can learn these techniques on difficult hands. I mean, ruined nails, dirty nails, because some clients in their countries, they have the same nails and they have the same problems with nails. Guys, I love to help poor women and I'm struggling against violence, family violence. And Christine agrees that we shouldn't only do ordinary work, we should change this world. And we think that only beautiful things can change our world. We decided to make the special nail design which suits to our days. The gray color is very stylish. As you can see, Christine works the same way like I do. And she also uses the same products from Shape of Nail. Now it's the main brand in Russia. Old gel was removed with a thin barrel gel bit. It works perfectly when we have the crack in the middle of the nail. She also prepares and sculpts nails the same way like I do. To transform these ruined nails, we need to prepare them perfectly. We have a lot of work with the cuticles. Christine uses the long flame blunted drill bit on all phases of the manicure works. And it saves her time. And as you can see, she prefers to cut cuticles using scissors. It's a great thing to watch when professional works and when somebody transforms hands of hard worker. We also should remove all the dirt from underneath of the nail plate. The best way is using toothpick. I also washed nails with a soap and cleaned them using the vacuum cleaner. Please pay attention, guys, that we have made the special nail design. It hides all pieces of coal under the nails in cuticles area. So this design is polyfunctional. It will help her to hide dirt on the cuticles and on fingers. So it suits perfectly to her. And when she throws some coal into the oven the next time and her hands will be in dirt of coal, so it doesn't matter because it suits to her nail design. We also use the wipe and the rubbing alcohol to remove all the dirt and disinfect all areas. some nails were broken. But it's not the surprise because she used to do hard housework and work with the ground growing vegetables. And when she breaks her nails, we use the nail forms and apply the free edge again. Now Chris uses the clear polygel of the brand Shape of Nail. She uses polygel only when it's needed to sculpt the free edge. After moisturizing the brush in liquid solution, she plays with a ball of polygel and create the tip or the edge of the nail. You know guys, in my work I never tighten up nails. That means you push from side walls to make the nail thinner. But Kristen used to do it always. You can pay attention how beautiful her nails are. And when the extended nail has the arch, and when they are so long and thin, it creates the graceful effect. As for me, these nails are the most beautiful. Also in this video guys, you will learn a lot of new techniques that were never shown before. For example, this one. When we sculpt separately the nail bed and the free edge. This is the highest professional technique. Just take a look guys, the nail master uses only the wood stick and the brush for the polygel. So in total we have 2 balls of polygel. The first one we place in the middle of the nail. Then we align it to the free edge. And the second one we place close the cuticles. At first we play with it using the wood stick, and after the fine alignment we apply with the brush for polygel. We cure with these layers in LED lamp in 1 minute. Then we finish this work with a nail file, because we can only create the ideal smile line using the nail file and shaping this smile line. Of course, some nail masters can apply drawn French manicure. But the painted French and the sculpted French are the big differences. Because a sculpted French manicure looks absolutely different. It looks amazing. And if you are the professional, you understand what I mean. And as you can see, Kristen shows that she can do these amazing things like sculpted French manicure. I mean, when 2 products are close, joint to joint. It's perfect things. Not for nail masters who economize their time, but for real perfectionists like Kristen, who at this moment applies the black polygel joint to joint close to the already sculpted nail bed. And now guys, we're gonna show you the brand new nail design. This is the Radial gradient. A lot of nail masters have no clue how to create this amazing nail design. But now we're gonna open the secret. The first step, you should apply the thin layer of the Baby Boomer sculpting mix gel of Shape of Nail. This is from the new line Dolce Nude Baby Boomer Tone. We apply the thin layer, we don't cure it in LED lamp. From each side wall and in cuticles area and from the corner of the tip of the nail, we leave the thin line. So we don't cover this line with a basic thin layer. After that we place large drop of the same Baby Boomer gel. Be reminded guys that we can use only this brand gel because the consistency is ideal for creating this nail design. And after we neatly align the large drop of the gel from the top to the bottom of the nail. And we never place this drop, never push it to the corner line. And the last main thing, you should twist the hand to make this gel be aligned. So guys, this way the parable law creates for us the amazing gradient. It happens this way. The large drop is going to the center. So we have low gel from the side walls. Where is the low gel? In that areas the tone is lighter. And where we have more gel, the tone is more pigmented, so we have the amazing gradient, like you can see on the video. Of course, Kristen helps her with a thin brush number 00. She moves some gel to that way, to that side that she needs to fix this nail design. We need, guys, your comments about this idea when we do nails for free for hard worker women and show you new nail techniques. So in one time we do 2 useful deals. After fine shaping of these nails, we need to create some decor elements using the mineral gel paint. But as a layer we use the extra gloss top coat but shape of nail. It has no tacky layer and we can draw patterns at once after curing the top coat. The patterns of mineral gel paint can be drawn with a thick layer and it creates beautiful 3D effect of our nail design. Don't forget to cure this product properly into the LED lamp. And one more new nail technique that we're gonna show now. First, Kristen creates the background of the reptile skin or something like that. We should load this print with the same mineral gel paint. And for placing 3D stones and create opal effect, Kristen uses the same Dolce Nude semi-transparent milky baby boomer gel. If you want to use the same products, be reminded, guys, don't forget to subscribe our Telegram channel. There you can contact us or order some products. Because the Shape of Nail store will be reopened very soon in summer. And all these amazing products will be available all over the world with the best wholesale prices. So guys, you will be able to do nails the same way like Kristen and me do. And now guys, it's time to take a look on the results. That way nails of hard worker woman Luba looked 1 hour ago. And just take a look, guys, of how it looks now after 1 hour transformation. They have totally changed in 1 hour. We have applied it with some new nail techniques and it looks so beautiful. These nails of the superstar, not of hard worker woman. And of course, Luba could imagine herself like a Hollywood superstar. Let us know what you think about this work and this nail design. We need your feedback to create new amazing things. We are Kristen and Alexander, and we're gonna rock this nail world. See you very soon.